So I've noticed that my car has a bit of a leak, actually leaks in two places. And I did some reading online and it looks like these cars leaks water, to be exact. Like to leak water from two different spots. One would be here. You know, this is the A pillar, obviously. And this is where the water leaks from. And, you know, usually it just drips down on your knees. And, you know, we got the same situation on that side. So today I'm gonna try to fix it. I mean, it doesn't really leak that bad during small rain, but usually if it's like a thunderstorm, yeah, the seats get a little wet. So I'm gonna start with cleaning out these drain holes here, and then I'm gonna finish up with gluing this plug. I'm gonna actually apply some rubber sealant there. This piece is just a rubber plug, and I just want to get it out so I can clean the drain hole and also fix this rubber that's loose. Because my battery on the SLR died, but here's the problem. See this metal bit over here? There's a little lip there that needs to be tucked into a little hole in this rubber piece. So, and the reason it wasn't on this car is because whoever attempted to fix this before didn't remove this, and without loosening this up, it's impossible to put it in place correctly. So as you can see, we have no gaps here, but I am gonna lift it up and add some rubber adhesive to it, just for a good measure. I want there to be a good seal, but there should be no more leakage here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this adhesive here, I'm gonna peel back the rubber, and I'm just gonna go under it just like so. Unfortunately I only have two hands, and like I said, my SLR died, so I'll be back shortly. And contrary to what I said in the beginning, yeah, I think it's better to apply the adhesive once the plug is back in. I'm just gonna use a screwdriver, peel this back with one hand, and with the second I'm gonna apply this rubber. And I'm gonna also go over the top and make sure that this area here is all level. Alright, so this is now finished. All I have to do is I have to let it set, and since this isn't my daily driver, it's gonna just stay like that overnight. I did the same thing to the other side, and with any luck this is gonna solve my water leakage problem. Now all I have to do is reattach this plastic piece, reattach my visor, dome light, and I'll be good to go. And hopefully my car's gonna be dry now. Okay, so let me show you what we got here. So here's that rubber plug with all that adhesive. And same thing happened on the other side. Doesn't look very pretty, but that's okay. because I don't know how else I would go about fixing that. You know, I'm sure that the car is going to be dry now, and that's you know, I'm usually pretty meticulous about details, but I can live with this as long as I don't have any water in the car, and this should definitely do it.